In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a whiteboard in ClickUp. Now, creating a whiteboard is one of the best way you can manage or you can design anything or organize your work in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to create whiteboard, you need to go to this left sidebar and you should be able to see whiteboard here. If you can't see it, you can also go ahead to more and you should be able to find it here in case it is not on this sidebar. So for my case, it is here. So I'll click on whiteboard and here I'll have to choose the whiteboard template that I want. If you want to create from scratch, you can just click here, start from scratch, and it will be good. You can also go ahead and choose a template to start with, and we have some of the best templates like organizational chart, action plan, customer journey map, flowcharts, as well as root cause analysis. So let me choose the first one, organizational chart, and you can see we have templates already available here that we can choose from. You can now go ahead and start adding your tasks as you wish, and it will be added to this whiteboard. So organize your work as you wish and make edits and changes to any of these features that are here, and they will be applied. So that's how you can create your whiteboards in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.